Hi, welcome to Let's Go Fishing. This was part of a series when I was testing 3 different rods, but it was all shot on the same day. So I will send the link of the original video where you can watch the part series.
Fish on.
This was early in the spring and all fish were caught on the orange shrimp. I will add a link to the comment section so you can see how to tie this fly. Although you'll see different rods and the weather changing drastically, this is Cape Breton Island, Nova Scotia, and you can get all 4 seasons in one day.
Fish on.
Now, fishing in lakes is not my favorite way to fish, where you're just launching the line out as far as you can and hoping that there's a fish in the area. Now, I have to say that the Bredor Lakes is fed by the Atlantic Ocean and is salt water. It is tidal, so it's more brackish the farther you get into the lakes before the fish start running into the streams. Now, the reason I fish this is because it is salt water. The fish taste exactly like a salmon. It's fresh run sea trout, and this is the only place that I take the fish and keep them to eat.
Fish on. Oh, he's a nice one.
Oops. Like I said, the clouds blow in really quickly, the winds pick up, and it's a terrible day, and then all of a sudden the clouds break, you've got blue sky.
Fish on.
And then it's a good day. The spring is usually plentiful for the fresh run sea trout, and this was the best day that I had. Normally I can come out and I can catch my limit plus fish that I'm letting go in abundance of numbers every year. Well, I had fished this area 12 times before I started catching fish. Such a drastic reduction in the fresh run sea trout actually running up the rivers this year. this is the orange shrimp that I tie. I will post a link in the comment section so that you can find out how you can tie this shrimp on your own. It is a fantastic fly, and it works in orange as well as olive in different colors, but the orange really does work well. Thank you for watching the video. Please feel free to subscribe to the channel and follow me in all my adventures.